In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 11. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know a simple and safe way to free up memory, which can help your computer feel faster and more responsive, especially if you've had it running for a long time, or you like to keep a lot of apps open. First, let's quickly talk about what the RAM cache is. Your computer uses RAM to store data it needs to access quickly. Over time, Windows keeps some of this data in memory as a cache, so programs can reopen faster. That's useful, but if you're running low on memory, it can cause slowdowns, lag, or stuttering in games and applications. Clearing the RAM cache doesn't delete your files or programs. It just forces Windows to release unused memory so it can be reused more efficiently. On Windows 11, you don't get a big Clear RAM button, but we can achieve a similar effect using built-in tools. One of the most helpful is Task Manager. To open it, right-click on an empty area of your taskbar and choose Task Manager, or press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. When Task Manager opens, if you see a simple view with only a small list, click on More Details at the bottom to expand it. Next, move to the Performance tab at the top. On the left side, click on Memory. Here you'll see how much RAM is installed on your system, how much is currently in use, and how much is cached or available. This is a great place to confirm whether your memory is actually under pressure before you start closing things. Now, to actually free up RAM, go to the Processes tab. This shows all the apps and background processes that are currently running. Look for programs you're not actively using that are consuming a lot of memory. When you find one you don't need, click it once to highlight it. Then click End Task in the bottom right corner. This will close that program and release the RAM it was using. Be careful not to end tasks you don't recognize, especially anything labeled as a Windows process or something related to your graphics or antivirus, as those might be important for system stability. After you've closed a few unnecessary apps, go back to the Performance tab and check the Memory section again. You should see that the in-use memory has gone down and the available memory has increased. That effectively clears out a portion of your RAM cache and gives Windows more room to work with. To keep things running smoothly, it's a good idea to restart your PC from time to time. A full restart completely refreshes the RAM, closes background processes you might not even know are running, and gives you a clean slate. If you notice frequent slowdowns, consider trimming down the number of startup apps as well, so fewer programs load into memory when you sign in. That's all you need to do to clear RAM cache in Windows 11 using the tools already built into your system, without installing extra software.